our Sun-In vlog. Welcome back to the Matharu Kitchen. I'm Kat, and today we are going to take you to a vegetarian Chinese New Year dinner. It's at Singapore's oldest hotel, and the restaurant is E by Jereme. We're going to have an 8-course dinner today. I'm excited. Are you? Let's go! This is the menu for tonight. So we have some vegetarian yushang and some dumplings with matsutake mushroom, lamb's made mushroom soup, braised bean curd with golden fungus and pineapple. Sounds very interesting. And some veggies, and this is interesting. I'm not sure what the plant-based meat patty is. Steamed jasmine rice and plant-based meat patty with black truffle. First course, the yushang. It's got their signature Yunnan roast dressing. How is it? It's a very good one-person portion, pretty big. When I saw the menu, I thought like maybe it won't taste so much like yushang because of the special Yunnan dressing, Yunnan roast dressing. But actually, it still retains the authenticity. The roast taste is quite subtle. Just nice. It's a deep fried cordyceps. Not much taste. I don't know what's inside. And this is the bean curd skin roll with asparagus and lettuce. This is good. I like it. This has some, is it yuzu? So this purple thing is pomelo with Chinese yam and mashed purple sweet potato. But it's got like lemon, orange peel or yuzu on top. Very fragrant. Am I supposed to eat the perilla leaf? Okay, then it's too fragrant. It becomes a bit soapy. And the futai. Oh, this one has matsutake mushrooms in it. Very mushroomy. But the taste is quite delicate. It is quite filling. Only on our second course, and already feeling like I'm filling up. But I think it's because of the yushang. It's quite a big portion. We have 6 more to go. The third dish, soup. Named double boiled lion's mane mushroom soup. As a Cantonese, the soup is very important. Let's see how it is. It's a bit bitter. Actually, not quite what I was expecting. Yeah. The more you drink, the better it is. But the first impression is underwhelming. You don't like it? Is it double boiled or did we get a single boil? That's why it's bitter. That's why it was late. It's alright. I want to like this soup, but I cannot help but think that it is a bit of a slightly more concentrated shiitake dashi on the brighter side. You won't get gelato from this because it's not very heavy in flavor. It's a fourth dish. I was wondering what the golden fungus is. This is, I'm guessing. And people will be like, this is such a narcissistic lady. It's like taking pictures of everything she is. Live a life. I like golden fungus. Golden fungus is quite loose in texture. It's a little bit crunchy, not like white fungus or black fungus crunchy, but it's pretty good. I just wish they cut the veggie a bit smaller, because now it'll be very awkward for me to eat. The sauce is quite a standard soya-based sauce, but there's some ginger flavor in it, which is nice. You can taste the pine nut, which makes it a bit different, otherwise it'll be quite standard. Ingredients are fresh, so it's good. Not complaining. Next dish. What is it? Alright, winter melon with seasonal veg and lily bulb in pumpkin broth. Seasonal veg, okay. Lily bulb here, pumpkin broth. Okay, let's give this a try. You like? Off the bat, I'm not a big fan of lily bulb. Is it very hard to cook vegetarian? Well, the lily bulb has some taste. It's very a bit unseasoned, kind of. The winter melon doesn't have a lot of taste. The spinach is blanched, and that's about it. Pumpkin broth is clean and not too bad. But you have to eat it with the lily bulb, otherwise there's no taste. Lily bulb is a bit roasted, crunchy, slightly nutty. Surprise! Lily bulb is the yummiest one in this dish. Not bad with the lily bulb. So far, the dishes taste very clean and healthy. Apart from the yusheng, it does like give you a punch in the face suddenly. This black truffle, the next one, it must have some taste and some plant-based meat that will save it. Okay guys, the main cod dish here is here. Let me show you. It's your bang tang fan, basically like a meat patty on top of a rice. Usually you find this in like a boiled soup shop, salted fish, steamed pork rice kind of vibe. Okay, I know what is the dish he's trying to make. So for a vegetarian version of this dish, this is a good attempt. The original dish has salted fish in it, which is why you can only taste salt. Because the sauce on this, on top of the meat patty, it's very salty. It's basically onion with soy sauce and salt, I'm guessing, not sure. To try and mimic the salty fish taste. And of course with the texture of like water chestnut. I I just wish he did a bit more with the rice. If this is to convince a meat eater to be vegetarian, I think he will lose the case. This is a Michelin Star restaurant. I need to say something nice. Okay, this is the last and final dish. It's the sweets. So we have some glutinous rice ball, jima tongyun with osmanthus soup, I think, and the two other sweets here, which is nian gao. It's kind of cute, and pak hong go, which is a sweet cake. How's the soup? He's not saying anything. I'll tell you. Longan red date soup. Sesame paste glutinous rice ball. I mean, you can't go too wrong with this. Now we try the nian gao and bai tang gao. Okay lah, not bad lah. It tastes like something, I can't recall what it tastes like. I know what it tastes like the rainbow color kueh lapis. It tastes like zhu chen gao. The yellow thing, it's not nian gao. It's more like a zhu chen gao. So according to the menu, this is supposed to be crispy, but it's not. So not much of a taste, a bit doughy. There's a standard pak hong go. Yeah. Bai tang gao. Cold the bai tang gao. Okay, bye bye. Nothing more to say. Alright, we are done with our dinner and it's time to go home. But before we do that, I thought we will do a wrap up of the experience that we had at Eat by Jereme. So it was an 8-course dinner with 2 dessert kind of, but I guess you can combine them as to 1 dessert. So essentially almost like a 7-course. Overall, it was kind of underwhelming. There wasn't really any dish that stood out that we particularly liked. I think it was probably the 2nd or 3rd dish with the bean curd and the fortune dumpling that was a bit better. The rest was alright. Overall, will we come back for the same set menu? I guess not. We won't be coming back. It wasn't really worth the price as well. But for now, this is it. Alright, we have come to the end of today's episode, and if you've liked today's video, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you like this sort of restaurant review videos, do comment down below. And if you have any vegetarian restaurants to recommend, do share it with us too. Probably we'll just go down and check it out. Alright then, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!